Hello, investors. Welcome to Trend Tracker. Let's go over some of our trade ideas for the upcoming week. And remember, if you're a new investor or trader, make sure to check out our educational videos in the description below. For more information on our trade ideas, please make sure to check our Trend Tracker commentaries through email or our research portal.
The PSEi started last week with an upward price action, reaching as high as 6,436.11 in the midweek. However, gains were erased in the latter half of the week, as offshore investors turned net sellers, driven by renewed geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. This risk-off sentiment pushed the index back below the 6,400 resistance level. Connecting the high points recently made by the index, a downtrend line can be plotted. With the break of the uptrend line, drawn from May 29, 2026 low, we may see a support retest. The nearest one is at 6,189.23 followed by 6,103. The indicators we monitor support this view. Hence, defensive positioning and sticking to names showing relative strength is recommended.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Converge ICT Solutions, Incorporated. Converge has been in a downtrend since start of the year, and it recently exhibited a V recovery. Last Friday, the stock broke above its downward channel, driven by heavy volume tied to the PSE index rebalancing. While its exclusion from the main PSEi created preliminary selling pressure, inclusion in the PSE midcap index has fueled renewed buying interest. From its July 9, 2026 low, we were able to identify a short-term uptrend. This could be the stock's potential path in the coming days. Converge is currently trading at 10.78. If it rallies past 11.00, which is our buy price, we anticipate that the stock could reach as high as 12.75. For risk management, place stop level at 9.92 or below the stock's 50-day moving average and apply proper sizing as the reward to risk ratio of this trade idea is below 3:1.
So that's all we have for this week's Trend Tracker. Please tune in next week for market updates. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to watch future content like this, and good luck trading this week.